Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to use the keying effect. Let's begin! Let's start! One of the methods of combination is to select a specific color from the material and remove only that color. This is called keying. It is generally used to combine the blue background and the green background materials. Place the clip you want to remove a specific color from in the timeline. Here, I will use green background material. This green part will be extracted with the keying effect. Effect and Presets panel, Keying. Apply linear color key to the layer of the green background material. The linear color key effect has been added to the Effects Control panel. Next, use the key color to specify the color to be extracted. Use the pointer to specify the color you want to remove from the Preview panel. As the clip has a green background, the green part has been designated as the key color. The specified color was extracted. If the color is not extracted well, make fine adjustments from the Effect Controls panel. Matching allowance allows you to specify the approximate color range. If other colors are included, increase the tolerance and you can extract them well. If you increase the tolerance too much, you will extract the parts you don't want to extract like this. If the border of the material you extracted is rough, increase the flexibility of matching and soften the border. Use the key light effect for more advanced keying. Basic operation is similar to the linear color key. There is also a way to combine using the brightness of the material. This color bar is used as a material. First, apply keying, extract to the material. The extract effect is displayed on the Effects Control panel like this. Let's try increasing the value of black point. If you increase the black point value, the dark part will be removed from the material. Then, try lowering the value of white point. If you lower the white point value, the bright part will be removed from the material. This is the end of the lecture on how to use the keying effect. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.